To set up Cash App Direct Deposit, start by opening the Cash App on your mobile device and tapping on the profile icon in the top left corner. From the menu, select Direct Deposit and then click on Get Account Number. This will prompt you to provide your employment information, including the name of your employer and your job title. Once you have entered this information, Cash App will generate a unique account and routing number for you to use for direct deposit. Write down or copy this account and routing number, as you will need to provide it to your employer or payroll department. They will use this information to set up direct deposit into your Cash App account. When providing the account and routing number to your employer, be sure to specify that you want your paycheck deposited into your Cash App account. You can also provide them with a direct deposit form, which can be accessed through the Cash App. Once your employer has set up direct deposit, it may take 1 to 2 pay periods for the changes to take effect. After this time, your paychecks will be deposited directly into your Cash App account, and you will receive a notification when the deposit is made. It is essential to note that some employers may have specific requirements or restrictions for setting up direct deposit, so be sure to check with your payroll department if you have any questions or concerns. Additionally, you can always access your direct deposit information and account details through the Cash App. By following these steps, you can easily set up Cash App Direct Deposit and start receiving your paychecks quickly and securely. This service is free, and you can access your money as soon as it is deposited into your account. Cash App also offers other benefits, including the ability to invest in stocks and Bitcoin, as well as access to a debit card and other financial tools. By taking advantage of these features, you can make the most of your Cash App account and manage your finances with ease. Overall, setting up Cash App Direct Deposit is a simple and convenient way to receive your paychecks and access your money quickly. With its ease of use and range of features, Cash App is a great option for anyone looking to streamline their financial management.